Home Remedies presents Get strong bones and teeth with only 1 small spoon of this powder a day. Osteoporosis is a silent disease of progressive loss of bone mass, which causes the bones to become thin and weak. It weakens bones to the point where they easily break. Most often, bones in the hip, backbone, spine, and wrist. Did you know that eggshells are a great, inexpensive, natural source of calcium? Eggshell calcium is easily accessible for the body too. Yes, eggshell calcium. High quality eggshells contain 27 essential microelements, but they are mostly composed of calcium carbonate, a form and structure that is very similar to our bones and teeth. In animal and human tests, eggshell calcium shows increased bone density, less arthritic pain, and even stimulates cartilage growth. Eggshell powder is a natural source of calcium and other elements, example strontium and fluorine, which may have a positive effect on bone metabolism. Clinical studies in postmenopausal women and women with senile osteoporosis showed that eggshell powder reduces pain and osteoresorption and increases mobility and bone density or arrests its loss. The bioavailability of calcium from this source, as tested, was similar or better than that of food-grade purified calcium carbonate. Clinical and experimental studies showed that eggshell powder has positive effects on bone and cartilage and that it is suitable in the prevention and treatment of osteoporosis. Sounds great, huh? And it's really easy to make. Here's an easy recipe to make it. To make your powder, you will need a few easy to source things that you probably already have lying around the house. You will need a carton of eggs. Stick to organic, pasture-raised eggs if you can, a medium to large sized pot, an electric coffee grinder. One can purchase from $20 to $30 online. Check the link on the description. A fine strainer, an airtight container to store your eggshell powder. Directions. The entire procedure of making eggshell powder is relatively quick and painless, so it shouldn't take much of your time. Step 1. Use up your eggs as you normally would. Rinse them well with water. Remove any whites that might be stuck, but don't remove membrane as these have extra nutrients, keeping the shell in the carton to make your supplement. Repeat the step 1 till you have your dozen shells. Fill a stock pot with approximately 6 cups of filtered water and bring to a boil. Carefully put your eggshells into water. This will kill any harmful pathogens. Let cook for 10 minutes. Drain the eggshells and place them on a baking tray and allow to dry all day or overnight. In the morning, preheat an oven to 90 degrees Celsius, 195 Fahrenheit, and place the eggshells in the oven for 12 minutes to allow them to dry out entirely. Remove the tray from the oven and place the shells in your coffee grinder. Grind until the eggshells become a finely ground powder. Continue until you have used up all the eggshells. Strain the powder through a strainer to ensure any larger shells are removed. Pour the eggshell powder into an airtight container and seal tightly. Store the jar in a cold and dry place for up to 2 months. Enjoy your homemade eggshell calcium powder. How to consume eggshell calcium. 1 teaspoon contains approximately 800 to 1000 mg of calcium. Consume by mixing in a small amount of water with a meal. Consume 3/4 to 1 teaspoon daily, divided in 3 servings with meals. Don't consume more than 1 teaspoon a day as it can irritate sensitive digestive tracts. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.